This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Brian Schaffer. This 5-bedroom, 3-bath home has all the space and comfort you are looking for. The bedroom/office/school room on the main floor is A+. All the additional bedrooms and laundry room are on the second floor and allows for everyone to have their space. The master bedroom wing is huge, with your own sitting area. The open floor plan has nice upgrades from crown molding, granite countertops, HW flooring to tile in the kitchen and bathrooms. The gas fireplace is A+ along with a spacious dining room. The 2-tiered screened-in deck was installed in 2011 and has lots of space to oversee the large fenced-in yard. For more information, review the details below or contact Brian Schaffer at 865-342